This is the heart part of the Vallabai Patel statue of unity at Kevadia. Can you see that? This is the gallery view. This is the gallery view. Sardar Vallabai Patel statue. Inside the statue, how it has been built. It has been built earthquake resistant. You can see the structure here inside the Statue of Unity. Hope you can see the magnanimous work that has happened at a shortest time. The biggest statue of the world. ये सभी राजा जिन्हें आप देख रहे हैं, भारत आज़ाद होते ही a princely states है. These are all the kings at the time of independence across India. They all came together for united India. They became citizens of India first. So they became the citizens of India, and they left their